Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss probability, class 10, exercise 13.2, problem number 3 and 4. In the previous video we have seen how to find the probability of different type of balls and different type of marbles. In this session we are going to discuss different type of coins like 50 paise coins, rupee 1 coin, rupee 2, rupee 5, rupee 10 coins, and probability of getting male fish or female fish. Click this I button to learn introduction to probability and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Exercise 13.2, question number 3. A kiddie bank contains 100 50 paise coins, 50 1 rupee coins, 20 2 rupee coins and 10 5 rupee coins. If it is equally likely that one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin, first one, will be a 50 paise coin, second one will not be a rupee 5 coin? Let us see the solution. So in this problem, what is given once we have to see here? 150 paise coins is given, 51 rupee coins and 22 rupee coins, 10 5 rupee coins is given. We need to find probability of will be a 50 paise coin and probability of will not be a rupee 5 coin we need to find. So see the solution. Number of 50 paise coins equal, that is 100. Number of rupee 1 coins equal, how many rupee 1 coins? That is 50. Number of rupee 2 coins equal, 20 coins it will be. Number of rupee 5 coins equal, that is 10. Total coins you have to take. So total coins equal. So total means we need to add this 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10. That is we are getting 180 coins we are getting. So total number of outcomes equal 180. So first question you can take that one. Will be a 50 paise coin. So number of favorable outcomes to 50 paise coin equal favorable outcomes to 50 paise coins equal. So how many 50 paise coins it will be? So that is 100 coins it is. So for favorable outcomes to 50 paise coins, how many we are getting? That is 100 we are getting. So probability of will be a 50 paise coin, will be a 50 paise coin equal number of favorable outcomes to 50 paise coin by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes, that equal number of favorable outcomes to 55 seconds. How many we got here? That is 100. 100 by. So total number of total number of outcomes we got it 180. 0 0 get cancelled. 2 5s are 2 9s are. That equal 5 by 9. So probability of will be a 50 paise coin we got it 5 by 9. Next, second one, that is will not be a rupee 5 coin. Will not be a rupee 5 coin. Will not be a rupee 5 coin without 5 rupee coins. So without 5 rupee coins, remaining coins we need to take. So number of favorable outcomes to now will not be a rupee 5 coin means 50 paise coins we need to take, and rupee 1 coin, rupee 2 coins. So this all we can add. So number of favorable outcomes to favorable outcomes to will not be a rupee 5 coin. Will not be a rupee 5 coin means 50 paise coins, that will be 100, plus rupee 1 rupee coins, that will be 50, plus rupee 2 coins, 2 rupee coins, that will be 20, that equal 170 favorable outcomes we are getting. So probability of will not be a rupee 5 coin equal number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So favorable outcomes, how many we got here? That is with will not be a rupee 5 coins one we are finding. Will not be a rupee 5 coins means remaining coins. Remaining coins are here. 50 paise coins is there, 1 rupee coin and 2 rupee coins. That are 170 by total number of outcomes we got it here 180. So 0 0 get cancelled. That is 17 by 18 is the probability of will not be a rupee 5 coin. Next. Question number 4. Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. What is the probability that the fish taken out is male fish? Let us start our solution. So here given 5 male fish and 8 female fish is given. So we need to find probability of taken out is a male fish one we need to find. So taking out, so the probability of taking out one we are getting a male fish one we need to find. So here see the solution. Number of male fish equal number of male fish are 5. Number of female fish equal that is 8. Total fish equal total means we need to add, that is 13. So 5 plus 8 that equal 13. So total number of outcomes equal 13. Number of favorable outcomes to a male fish equal, here how many male fishes will be? That is 5 male fishes. So we are favorable outcomes. So how many favorable outcomes we are getting for male fish? That is we are getting how many male fishes are there, that many outcomes we are getting. So that is 5. Probability of taking a male fish equal number of favorable outcomes by favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes for male fish, how many we got here? Only 5. By total number of outcomes, total number of fishes, how many? That is 13. So probability of taking a male fish is 5 by 13. Do comment if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.